Here's my bag. Never worked with dent filler. It's my first time. There's always a first time for everything. Deluxe putty. Putty. Okay, jokes apart. It was really hard working with this one. Once you add this hardener, it takes almost seconds, 30 seconds, and you have very little time to work on it. It hardens really fast. So I tried the best I could. Not the best job, but you know, obviously I have to grind it down. So this is almost done. Yeah, the corona mask came in handy. Really dusty. Not yet finished. It should be grinded really good. Well, it's about 4 or 5 o'clock in the evening. I guess I'll leave this for tomorrow. Yeah, I think I should fill this hole too. And CC bar, maybe some filler here, maybe. Let's see if it is good enough. I mean, if it looks good, yeah, whatever. Oh, there's a hole here. I should fill this up too. Yeah, that's it.